siya, may patroli doon sa lahat. Kasi maglinti, mga siya. T-shirt ba? Di pa makapainan.
Ang kanyang sinasapisan, na may damal, katalungan at kalayaan, na pinakikilot ng sambayang ko Diyos, makakalikasan, makatao at magpamasa.
GSP Promise and Law in unison. On my honor, I will do my duty to God and my country, to help other people at all times, and to live by the Girl Scout law. A Girl Scout's honor is to be trusted. A Girl Scout is loyal. A Girl Scout is helpful. A Girl Scout is a friend to all and a sister to every other Girl Scout. A Girl Scout is courteous. A Girl Scout respects living things. A Girl Scout is disciplined. A Girl Scout is self-reliant. A Girl Scout is thrifty. A Girl Scout is sweet in thought, word, and deed.